Today we have the Nerf rival Phantom Core Helios. This is a sniper pistol with a interchangeable bolt action grip for priming. It has a 7-round magazine, which is probably going to be a problem when we go to the firing test because we're going to have to carry around this Nerf bag to reload my shots. It has a nice big tactical rail to fit whatever sight you want on it, and its overall size makes it a really easy primary. So let's go with the firing test now. Alright, on to the firing demo. Alright, there we go. Wow, when I'm not aiming, it gets easier. Alright. That was pretty easy. See if I can get those elite targets. Nice!
An elite target. It's one down. Let's count the targets.
Down an elite. Which
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 25.
80%. So, this is a very nice gun, but it's not that accurate if you don't have a sight for it. Like, a recommended combo that I recommend running this with is a 12-round mag, because this gets really annoying to reload.
Mm-hmm.
Just use this as a backup if you have to. Use a red dot sight, like a rival red dot, which costs about like $15 to go onto here, and run it with a sling so that you can put it behind you and use your nemesis instead.
May I add something? It's a little bit easier to aim when you're against a bigger target, like a person.
So yeah, some of these target practice things don't apply, but still, this wasn't very accurate. Is it worth $35? Probably not. Just wait until you find a good discount. Like $15 to $20 is a more reliable price for one of these, because it's certainly a beginner's blaster that doesn't have the 12-round capacity when you buy it, or any attachments. So it's not really worth it until you actually buy accessories for it.